Hi, welcome to the Summer Rain channel. Today we're making a whipped lip scrub, which uses sugar as your exfoliator, and it is scented with monkey farts flavoring oil, which smells amazing. It smells really fruity and just really like a summer smell. I don't know about you, but I find that I end up using this year round, so I'm always exfoliating my lips. I don't like when you get dead skin on it. It winds up getting chapped lips, or your lipstick doesn't go on right. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I do post a new video every week. I also post a link to my blog, so on the blog I do have the free printable recipe for this. Without further ado, let's go ahead, let's make our whipped lip scrub. For our whipped lip scrub, we have 3 ingredients. We have coconut oil, mango butter, and sugar. And then we have one optional ingredient, which is flavoring. So we have monkey farts flavoring, which smells really fruity and delicious. To start, grab yourself a heat-safe container, add your coconut oil, and add your mango butter. We're going to go ahead, we're going to pop this on a double boiler until it's completely melted. So as you can see, our oils are completely melted. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop them in this container. The reason why I do that is this is going to be easier to whip everything in. I also do it because I don't want to put a hot glass in the freezer. I'm afraid it might crack. So go ahead, pop this in the freezer. I normally put it in for about 5 minutes, and then I'll pull it out and see if we are ready to start whisking it or not. All right, so I just popped this out of the freezer. I set a 5-minute timer. As you can see, it's still very much so in liquid form. We just wanted to cool it down to room temperature so then we can whisk it. If you forget this in the freezer, you let it cool all the way, it's going to be very, very difficult, even with an electric whisk, to get it to the nice fluffy consistency that we're looking for. So just set a 5-minute timer. That should be plenty long enough to cool it down. And we'll go ahead and whisk it. As you can see, it's starting to change color just a little bit. We want to keep whisking it until it's a white color. And then you'll get to a consistency about like this, where it's starting to turn white. Keep going. You really want like a fluffy, light white color. And there it is. There's that fluffy white color we were looking for when we were whisking it. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and add your sugar. I like to start by adding half of it and then whisking it again. And then you're just going to want to go ahead and pop it into your container. I love the texture of this. See how light and fluffy it actually is, even though it has all that sugar in there. And there is our finished whipped lip scrub. I hope you enjoyed the video.